She is playing with this man. Have you seen this? Sumne yake? All this because judicial officer she cannot play. Magistrate is the complainant. FIRs will be registered left, right, center. Call ಮಾಡಬಾರದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದನ್ನ ಥ್ರೆಟನ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅವರು. Just because she is a magistrate, go on registering crimes against crimes after crimes. Just because she is a magistrate, go on registering crimes against crimes after crimes. Attend the birthday program ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಇದು ಭ್ರಷ್ಟರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಸ್ತ್ರ.
ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ.
She is playing with this man.
No, he has made telephone calls and thereafter also threatening me, even after the affair.
After the threatened ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we'll see, but marriage ಅಂತೂ ಆಗಿದೆ. Have you seen this? ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಯಾಕೆ all this?
No, that is, my lord, it seems to have done it for the because pregnancy, termination of pregnancy.
No. Yes, just because judicial officer she cannot play with it. Threatening ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that we will not say.
Subsequent to that FIR, I've got
the second petition.
One more FIR was registered in the last.
ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು.
Your lordship is a telephone.
If the magistrate is the complainant,
your lordship,
FIRs will be registered left, right, center.
Look, your lordship, see the call records, my lord. Why he has to call her and make this?
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದನ್ನ ಥ್ರೆಟನ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅವರು.
No, knowing well, my lord, that incident.
No, the very fact that they are married and despite marriage she alleges outraging the modesty of women at 74 and 79 itself would belie her.
Let him show that document to show the registration of document.
Registration ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು?
ಮಾಡಿಸಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, registration is not.
ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಲ್ಲ?
There's a long standing relations for.
Even otherwise registration ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. If you see those, no 74, no 79. It is consensual acts.
Engagement ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು.
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಕರೆದಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಂತ.
ಹೌದು, that is what.
So it is consensual. Where is 74, 79? Just because she is a magistrate, go on registering crimes against crimes after crimes.
May I make a small submission? I am for the R2 in this matter.
Correct, sir.
Apart from these two, Your Lordship, there are two more FIRs.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Not by me, Your Lordship.
Then?
Some other women which against the petitioner. One is pending before the Tumkur, another one is pending before the Mysore. Is an habitual offender who contacts the victims or a complaint through matrimonial websites.
ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಮೋನಿಯಲ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಾ?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ even my engagement ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. She was an attend of training in Bangalore. Subsequently she gone to the evening to attend ಇದು birthday program.
Attend the birthday program ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್.
I have further more.
Engagement ring exchange ಆಗಿದೆ. Apart from that, even the document which is produced by
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹೌದು, that even medical document which is allegedly submitted before this honorable court, Your Lordship, same is as filed before the family court in Mysore. The documents.
Her first marriage also suppressed. I have a document said that she got a divorce also.
Local the hospital which they have issued.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್ she will lose her job. She is a magistrate indulging in all this.
I'll produce all documents which is the.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಇವ್ರು habitual ಅಂತ ಬಿಡಿ. She is supposed to decide the fate of people.
Fraudulently create more documents, submit more forgery and
I have further more documents.
ಏನ್ ಫೋರ್ಜರಿ ಸರ್? ಫೋಟೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
documents ನನ್ನ
ಫೋಟೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಫೋಟೋ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ?
ಹೌದು.
74, 79 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
That doesn't mean
276 2 ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ. 74, 79 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
I'll file a detailed objection.
What detailed objection?
1 week time.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಲರ್ನೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಫ್ಐಆರ್ ಗಳು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್.
There are two crimes.
Bail rejected,
No, but he is on bail. Now they file an application for cancellation because of one more FIR registered ante.
Two more petition which he has not brought to the honorable court.
No problem. Get everything, sir.
Please, Lord. Either my humble submission on the Swami. Even the complaint filed by other two women with the same allegations.
ಆಯ್ತು ಕೊಡಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು.
That is also stayed, no, I have produced a copy.
Problem at all.
Even brought to the court.
Yes, I have placed yesterday.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Tag everything.
Let me have a look at those.
Tag the petitions.
Yes,
4652 of 20.
that is the criminal petition 14345/20.
ಬರ್ತ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬರ್ತ್ ಕೊಡಿ. Yes.
There's one more, Lordship. 14652 of 25, which is filed by another woman against the same petitioner. Criminal petition 146.
How many women you have got engaged to?
No, blood, only one blood that That was filed after the registration of this FIR. The magistrate has contacted this victim girl and knowing that he had a relationship earlier and made her to file a complaint.
She is already married, ah?
She already married and divorced. That second respondent.
Oh,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು
ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ?
That is taking number
14345 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
14652 of 25 so.
ಅದು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ 14652.
please.
List them all on 24th in the fresh matters list. Objections if any by the respondent. Interim. There shall be an interim order of stay of further investigation query petitioner till the next date.
Further proceedings.
CC ಆಗೋದಿದೆಯಾ?
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್
ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರುವಾಗಲೇ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದೆ.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಾಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪಿ. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
Harassment.
ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಜುಗಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಪೈಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ
ರೆಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕಾಂಜುಗಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
ಪಿಟಿಷನ್.
ಯಾಕೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
There was no, marriage has taken place. In the absence of marriage, there is no point even to file for restriction of conjugal rights. They only to harass the.
No, no problem,
The
sir.
petitions.
If he has no case, we will dismiss it. We will get into the root of the matter and see.
Please.
Yes.
And even she taken a medical leave, she is roaming around all with the petitioner. And all the places are placing the photographs.
Because
So
the
each
document-
places have not,
Please.
and he went to Mangalore and different places of the state.
She was in the Mangalore.
Taking a medical leave and maternity leaves.
No, not a
Maternity
maternity.
leave ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
Maternity leave ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They have an instruction from the party.
Maternity leave application ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ. My party has instructed that to.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Please.
We will get the record of the judicial officer, not a
Lordship
problem.
can summon.
Yes, we will get everything.
And we place the entire material before the
Yes.
vigilance also.
No problem. No. Maternity leave ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು is not a guarantee of marriage,
Please.
but we'll answer it. Yes.
Lordship can get it internally.
Huh?
Those documents will be part of it.
We'll see. Yes.
ಈ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ. ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇದು ಭ್ರಷ್ಟರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಸ್ತ್ರ.